this is Raise My Bake, and today we're gonna make mini pumpkin cheesecakes. We're gonna start with the graham crackers. Now we're gonna smash them. Here, Dream. Hey. Yeah. Yay! Yeah. Yay! Now my day. Now my day.
Yeah, smash it. Keep smashing.
We're gonna put our butter in with our sugar and cinnamon, and then put in our crumbs. Make sure you have clean hands to do this part. It's gonna look like this. Now we're gonna make a pumpkin cheesecake. We're also gonna add the cream cheese. Now I'm gonna put in the sour cream and vanilla. Pumpkin spice and flour. And here is our pumpkin puree. Now we're going to pour in our eggs. Now we're going to mix it. We're going to scoop our cheesecake into our pans. Now we're going to stick them in the oven. Our pumpkin cheesecakes are cool. Now let's make the frosting. We're going to decorate our pies with homemade whipped cream. Like and subscribe.